Esther chapter 2, verse 21 to 23.
Esther, chapitre 2, verset 21 au verset 23.
Esther 2, 21 to 23.
Esther 2, 21 à 23.
In those days, while Mordecai sat in the king's gate, two of the king's chamberlain, Bigtan and Teresh, of those which kept the door, were wrought and sought to lay hand on the king Ahasuerus. And the thing was known to Mordecai, who told it unto Esther the queen, and Esther certified the king thereof in Mordecai's name. And when inquisition was made of the matter, it was found out, therefore they were both hung on a tree, and it was written in the book of the Chronicles before the king. Esther 3 and verse 1. I want all of us to read it. 1 to go. After these things did King Ahasuerus promote Haman, the son of Hammedatha, the Agagite, and advance him and set his seat above all the princes that were with him. In this world today,
Dans ce monde aujourd'hui,
when you go to companies, enterprise, churches,
quand tu vas dans les
families,
entreprises,
what you will see,
ce que tu verras,
it is demonic manipulation.
ce sont les manipulations démoniaques.
When you look at the lives of young boys, young girls, young men and women, what you will see, it is demonic
Quand tu
manipulation.
regardes la vie des jeunes hommes, des jeunes garçons, des jeunes femmes, ce que tu vas voir, c'est la manipulation démoniaque.
What is demonic manipulation?
Qu'est-ce que c'est que la manipulation
It is
démoniaque?
an attack on heavenly prophecy upon a
Sur
man.
les prophéties célestes contre la vie d'un homme.
Demonic manipulation
Les manipulations,
is an attack on heavenly prophecy upon a man.
c'est les attaques sur les prophéties célestes.
Demonic manipulation
Les manipulations démoniaques,
is an attack
c'est un attaque
against the oil of God upon the life of a person.
contre l'huile de Dieu sur la vie de
Demonic manipulation is when the kingdom of darkness is against heavenly prosperity upon a man.
C'est quand le royaume ténèbres lutte contre la célébrité.
There are many people under the sound of my voice this
Il y a
morning
beaucoup de personnes sous le son de ma voix
that are under demonic manipulation.
sont sur les manipulations des
Many people are manipulated.
beaucoup de personnes sont
Many people are manipulated in the morning. Some are manipulated in the afternoon. Some are manipulated in the night. Some are manipulated from January to December. So much so that when the year comes to an end, you cannot explain how your life has gone through.
On ne peut pas expliquer comment nous
Manipulations are real.
la manipulation est vraie.
There are people that command the destiny of people and put it under their seat.
Il y a les gens qui commandent le destin des gens et le mettent sous les
There are people that are operating with powers,
les gens qui opèrent avec les
demonic incantation
avec les incantations
that manipulate the stars of people. You were born to be great, but you are never near greatness. You were born to shine, but you have never shined. You were born to be a leader, but you have never led before. Why? There is a power
c'est une puissance
manipulating.
qui te manipule.
Hear this.
Écoutez ceci.
What is manipulating you
Qu'est-ce qui te
determines
manipule?
where you will find yourself. What is manipulating you
Ce qui te manipulait
determines what you will see, where you will find yourself.
te détermine là où tu iras, au niveau où tu
If
vas.
your life is being manipulated by demonic powers,
Si ta vie a été manipulée par les puissances
you
démoniaques,
can never find yourself in favor, in breakthrough.
tu ne vas jamais te trouver dans la faveur ou dans la percée.
When the spirit of God is manipulating, controlling the life of a person, you see success cheaply.
Quand la manifestation de Dieu contrôle la vie de quelqu'un, tu vois le succès, tu vois l'avancement.
You are not understanding me. The way you are looking at me is as if I'm in somewhere. When the spirit of the Lord
Quand l'esprit de Dieu
is in charge over your life,
contrôle dans ta vie,
your success is cheap.
le succès est facile, moins cher.
Celebration comes anyhow.
Ça arrive n'importe comment.
But when celebration is difficult,
Quand la célébration est
success
difficile,
is fast fetch.
le
When
succès,
celebration cannot be found,
quand les célébrations
it is
ne
a
peuvent pas
proof
être
that you are under demonic manipulation.
C'est une preuve
Hear
que
me.
tu es
I want to say this.
Écoutez,
God
c'est-
did not create a poor man.
Dieu n'a pas créé un homme pauvre. Yes, papa.
He did not.
Il n'a pas.
everyone rich.
Il a créé tout un chacun riche.
The Bible says in the book of Proverbs that it is God who created the rich and the
Poor.
He created them all.
Il les a créés tous, les riches et les pauvres.
It did not say He created the rich, comma, He created the poor. He created the rich separate. He created the poor separate. Now listen, if you say it is Him that created the rich and the poor, He
C'est lui qui a créé
created
le riche et
them.
le pauvre. Il les a
all.
créés tous.
What does that mean?
Qu'est-ce que cela voudrait dire?
It means He created you not to be poor. You decided, you choose to be.
Il ne vous a pas créé d'être pauvre, mais tu as choisi de l'être.
Yes, Papa.
No, listen. This is how Proverbs says it. He said, God is the Lord over the rich and the poor. At the end, He said, He created them all. It means He created you by His image. You decided to be poor.
Tu as décidé d'être
The
pauvre.
other one decided to be rich.
Les autres ont décidé d'être riches.
I was doing something. I discovered why we are poor. Why
Je faisais
Christians
quelque
are
chose
very.
et vous ne me
The
recevez pas.
person of Jesus is the
La personne de
salvation
Jésus.
of Jesus.
Et le salut de Jésus.
What He did for us,
Qu'est-ce
we
qu'il a
have
fait pour nous?
accepted that He died. But
On
when
a
it
accepté
comes
qu'il
to
est
His
mort.
principle,
Mais
we
quand
are
ça
failed.
arrive au principe, nous échouons.
Yes, Papa.
It is the principle of Jesus that maketh a man rich.
Ce sont les principes de Jésus qui rend un homme riche. Alléluia.
What are that principle?
Quels sont ces principes?
Love.
L'amour.
There is no love in the church. Oh.
Et il n'y a pas l'amour dans l'église.
Let me say this.
Que je dise ceci.
You can never define love and omit giving.
Tu ne peux jamais définir l'amour et oublier ou bien
Because
soustraire
love
le
can
donner.
only be expressed through giving.
L'amour ne peut être exprimé qu'au travers du donner. Si tu es un menteur.
John 3:16. For God so loved the world that He
Tu as
gave.
aimé le monde car et il est mort.
The love made Him to give.
L'amour l'a poussé à...
Simple to know a true Christian.
C'est très simple de connaître le vrai chrétien.
No matter how much you speak in tongues, if you are stingy, you are not born again.
Qu'importe
Yes,
la quantité
Papa.
que tu parles en langue, si tu es chiche, tu n'es pas un chrétien.
I know you will not accept it because
Je
it's
sais que tu
stinginess
Yes,
is in you.
Papa. Yes, Papa.
But if you are stingy, you are not born again.
Si tu es chiche, tu n'es pas né de nouveau.
Because everything about Christianity is love.
Parce que tout à propos du chrétien, c'est la
The Bible says, if anyone loveth not, then God is not in him. First John.
Alors si quelqu'un n'aime pas, alors Dieu n'est pas en lui.
I love God.
J'aime Dieu.
I love God.
J'aime Dieu.
And you cannot buy common wall clock in the house of God.
Tu ne peux pas acheter une montre pour l'église de Dieu.
There are 2 levels or 3 levels of giving
Il y a 2 ou 3 niveaux
or
de donner,
expression of love.
ou bien d'expression de
Number
l'amour.
1,
Premièrement,
give to your brothers and sisters.
donne à tes frères et sœurs.
Matthew 25.
Matthieu
He
25.
said, and Jesus will say to them, I was sick, you did not visit me. I was hungry, you did not
T'es
give me
malade,
food.
vous n'étiez pas
He said,
là.
when were you sick and hungry and will not give you? He said,
Pourquoi est-ce que
that's
tu
your
es faim?
brother
Ton
that was
frère,
hungry. I was the
il
one.
avait faim, vous n'étiez pas là.
You are not hearing me.
Vous ne m'entendez
Number
pas.
2,
Deuxièmement,
give to the church.
donnez à l'église.
The Bible says that Moses called upon the people
Moïse a appelé.
that they should bring gold,
Il devait
silver to
apporter
build the house of God.
l'argent,
The Bible says, and they brought so much that Moses stopped them.
Et ils ont tellement emporté que Moïse les a stoppés.
Today, our Moses are running after the people instead of the
Aujourd'hui,
people to run after the Moses.
Moïse court
Because
après son
our
peuple
people are
au lieu-
what? Stingy.
Parce que les gens sont comme
I said yesterday I sat and I was thinking about this life.
Hier, je me suis assis, je pensais à propos de cette vie.
If you are wicked with the material blessings that God has given to you, you are very foolish because soon you will die and leave it on earth.
Si tu es méchant avec les choses matérielles que Dieu t'a données, tu es inconscient parce que tu vas
Have the
mourir.
biggest doctors on earth, you will still die.
Et les grandes choses sur terre, tu vas toujours mourir.
Drink the most expensive water on earth, you will still die.
Creuse les choses les plus chères de la terre.
Fast and pray 1,000 years, you will still die.
Je n'ai pris pour 1000 ans.
And so why
tu
are
vas
you
toujours mourir.
stingy with that thing, that cash that God has given to you?
Pourquoi es-tu si avec ce cash que Dieu t'a donné?
Other part of giving is give to your prophet.
Une autre partie du donner, c'est quoi? Donner à ton prophète.
Even God knew that giving to your prophet was so important, and He said, "He that giveth to a prophet receives a prophet reward."
Même Dieu, tu recevoir.
But you have made your prophets beggars.
Tu as fait de ton prophète un mendiant.
Because of hunger, your prophets are prophet lying now. Because they
À cause
want
de
money.
la
They say,
famine,
God said,
ils
give me your car.
Dieu
God
dit,
said, give me
donne-moi
in your house. God said, God has not said anything. It is hunger that is telling the
C'est la
prophet.
famine qui fait le prophète avant qu'il dise cela.
Because you are stingy.
Parce que tu es chiche.
I'm just struggling to tell you that we have received the person of God, but we have denied his principle.
Je
And his
m'efforce à vous
principle is his power.
Parce que nous avons reçu la personne de Jésus, mais nous avons refusé ses
So
principes.
that is why an unbeliever can go to Bamenda and take charm and say this Christian will not sell, and the Christian will not sell. Because the unbeliever is following the principle of Satan.
L'incrédule suit les principes de Satan et cela marche.
And the Christian is then making empty noise. Listen,
le
the
chrétien
power
va
of God is not in quoting his word. The power of God is in practicing his word.
La
Demonic manipulations are real.
les manipulations démoniaques sont réelles.
We are manipulated.
Nous sommes manipulés.
Oh, Kalamasha. No wonder Hosea 4:6 says, my people perish for lack of knowledge. We are manipulated because we lack the power and the knowledge of God.
Parce que nous manquons la puissance et la connaissance de Dieu.